Here is how you can add OneDrive to the files on your iPad. Let me show you how it works. If it's your first time in here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So you probably want to add it into the Apple files, which is this blue folder icon, the local file manager. But at first we need to download it from the App Store as a separate app, right? So you are going to go there and you will look up the OneDrive. You can see that it is available as such, and you just have to download it as a regular application, right? So you can see that this is what it looks like. You just download it to your iPad and literally just get started with the Microsoft account, usual, right? The regular way. So yeah, we have it available as a standalone app, but once you start using it inside of that app, you can move over to the Apple Files browser, and in the left panel, you should be able to see the OneDrive being added. It should appear automatically, but if you still do not see it, then tap on the three dots and click on Edit Sidebar to make sure that the OneDrive is turned on, that the toggle is green, and you can also reorganize them, so perhaps you put it toward the top of the list for better visibility. If this doesn't happen automatically, just give it some time so you can make sure that it appears actually on the iPad, but it is an automatic process. So as long as you have the app, it should also be part of the Files app. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know in the comments below if it worked out well for you specifically. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.